Woo! You got everywhere.
Here, shake that thing. Shake the bucket for the goats. Shake it hard. Whoa.
Don't see them now. Don't see them, Dane.
Look behind you.
No.
Wow. Phew. All right, as we're winding down for the evening, got all the chickens back in. They're free ranging tonight. I can only count 16, and I looked and looked. Well, I forgot to look up. That one went clear up high. But they're all here safe and sound. Rudy's a little confused. Those girls are dusting themselves in the new bedding. We're gonna head out of here. Y'all take care. How's everyone doing today? Dave here with the High Hilltops. We're out here again, burning brush, clearing some more of this pasture. I got myself yet another tripod, so this one seems to be built a fair amount better. So we're gonna do some action shots here and see how we get behind me there. You can see all those vines. We're gonna try to clear out around this area where the watering trough is. And I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Hope y'all enjoy. All right, so if you look behind me there, you'll see the fire's getting bigger. I skipped a little while for you all, not to bore you, but just wanted to go give you my method for this. So I start with a wee little fire like you seen there at the beginning, and I'm not gonna lie, I do use a wee little bit of diesel fuel on it, maybe just a few ounces just to get that first bit going. And then I just start small. I mean, it takes a little bit of time, but it works. So you can see behind me there was the last pile that I just tried to burn just as a pile itself without starting small and working bigger, and it didn't work for me. So now you can see here, this is burning just fine. We're gonna keep at it. I went ahead and got most of this cut up down here. I'm gonna start cleaning it up, dragging the brush to the fire as it burns hotter. And right down there is the bathtub. So my goal is to clear out big enough part around here to get fencing around it to include the bathtub in the inside the fence. So that's what we're up to, y'all. Stick around. All right, quick update here. Got the brush pile going again pretty good. There's the bathtub. We've gotten most of the heavy stuff cut and cleared. My plan is to make a road straight down here, and our lower garden area is that bottom right there. So about 40 yards over the hill through this brush. Hopefully have a road cleared, be able to come right up through here, access this. All right, well, put you on time lapse here and we'll keep at it. All right, what a mess this has been. However, we have gotten us a road. Now, just gotta tidy up the ditch down there, clean up all this firewood, and finish up the last couple vines and whatnot, but whew, we got her. All right, so I got this drainage culvert here, and this access point to our lower garden here is pretty steep. Tractor goes up it, but the backhoe usually drags right in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking from that side, pulling it down over top of this, and just trying to grade it a little bit more. Probably pull some from right in here, and push it all down to make a nice, better road here. So let's get to it. All right, real quick tour here. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna get out of here, but fire's still going. We had gotten this whole gully cleaned out. Some firewood from it there. Down there's a spring trough. The road's gonna start right here and come down this way. Show you the progress on that. Gotten it clear. However, I just gotta come through with the bucket one day and scrape off all the crud. Lots of chopped vines and bark and whatnot. We got firewood laying everywhere though. Nice stack of elm there. And down there's the drainage ditch that I had to clear out, and I'm gonna try to put culvert pipe in one day and recover it so my road can go right over top of it. But that's it, y'all. A lot of work. Got all these dead elm here we gotta clean up. But this will probably be the outside border of the pasture, and have all this in here for the goats. It'll be fenced off from down there all the way up around, and then all this we'll try to clean up even through there to have nice open field. That's the plans. There should be, I'd say, close to 3 acres here by the time we're done. It's starting to rain, y'all. We're gonna finish up here, get the rhino in, and we'll see y'all next time on Ohio Hilltops. Y'all take care. In the basement.